Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to be talking about something that is a must-have for every tech bag. And I'm talking about the BENFEI 8-port USB hub. Now, my lifestyle has me working with a lot of tech, and one problem I always run into is not enough ports. Whether it's keyboards, mice, USB drives, or even webcams, they all have to plug in. So I grabbed the BENFEI 8-port USB hub to tackle it all. You get 7 blazing fast USB 3.0 ports with transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. There's even a smart charging port with a quick charge support up to 18 watts. And what I really love is each port has its own LED indicator. So no more guessing and no more unplugging. Plus, this works with either USB-C or USB-A, so you're covered no matter what device you're on. So don't wait until it's too late. Click that link below and grab yours today. And if you would, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you next time.